The Patelai elastic nose bandage. These are 20 of these, and these are absolutely amazing for first aid kits, nurses, whatever the case may be. What this allows is for you to basically you get 20 of these in the package, and what you do is you sort of go around your nose and then go around your ears. Just like this. So what this allows is this allows you to kind of potentially stop a nosebleed or various things like that. There's 20 of these in a deal, and it's just basically really smart. If you're looking for something like this, I can tell you they work. Going to be pretty universal for people of all shapes and sizes, and great for protecting that nose, and especially with things like nosebleeds or maybe nose surgeries, different things like that. Definitely going to be very helpful. Highly recommend.